Welcome to our tutorial on how to install AutoCAD 2024. AutoCAD is a widely used design software, often used for architecture, engineering, and various other fields. Today, we will discuss the process of downloading and installing the software on your computer. Step 1. To download AutoCAD 2024, visit the official website of URL and click on the Downloads. Depending on your operating system, you may be asked to create an account or sign in. Once you've signed in or created an account, search for AutoCAD 2024. You will see the software available for download. Step 2. Once you've selected the software you'd like to download, click on the Download button. A download window will open, and you can start downloading the software. Keep in mind that you will need a reliable internet connection to download the software successfully. Step 3. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file usually named AutoCAD2024, DMG or AutoCAD2024.x6 for .dmg. Double-click on this file to launch the installer. Step 4. During the installer's window, select your language and click Install. The installer will guide you through the installation process, asking a variety of questions related to your computer and preferences. Follow the prompts and select Yes for all the questions. Step 5. The installer will then begin copying the necessary files to your computer. Once the copying is complete, you will be greeted with a window indicating that the installation is complete. Step 6. You can now use the software by registering it through your account. Go to your account page on URL and click Student Registration. Follow the prompts to register your software for 1 year free. Congratulations! You've successfully installed AutoCAD 2024 on your computer. Now you can start using the software for your studies or professional purposes. Happy designing!